Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of cells and sense organs. From the tiny building blocks of life to the systems that help us experience the world, this is science you can actually feel. Cells are the basic unit of life. Every living organism, whether a tiny bacterium or a human, is made up of cells. Inside each cell, we have organelles like the nucleus, mitochondria, and ribosomes, each with its own role, like a mini factory, working nonstop. Now, let's talk about the five senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Our sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongues, skin, are like high-tech sensors connected to the brain. They allow us to see light, hear sound waves, taste flavors, smell aromas, and feel textures. What connects cells and senses? Specialized cells? For example, photoreceptor cells in your eyes detect light, while taste bud cells on your tongue detect flavors. Cells and sense organs remind us how incredible the human body is. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends who love science.